Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to set the gesture navigation on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. As you can see, currently we do have button navigation, so let's switch it up. First, head into Settings. Now, scroll all the way down and head into System and Update. Now click the second option, System Navigation. And here you want to switch from buttons to gestures. We have the ability to enable our tutorial on gestures, and we can do that. As you can see, this is how you can swipe from the left to go back. And the same things applies to the right side. Now we can go back to the home screen button. We can swipe and hold to view recent tasks. And lastly, we can swipe on the edge to switch between opened applications. Also, we have a couple of options here. For example, we can hide the little bar, we can vibrate in back navigation, we can enable switch to previous apps, we can enable mistouch prevention, we can enable our self tutorial once again, and also we can enable the sensitivity on certain edges, just for further customizability. And lastly, we can enable or disable circle to search and digital assistant from Google. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.